Hello, everyone. Now I will introduce you to my family. She is my wife. She is Maria Elvira Romero. She is 34 years old. She is younger than me. This is my son Nicholas. He is 12 years old. He is taller than me. He is my other son Matthias. He is 9 years old. He is the short of all and the thinnest. She is Marta. She is my mother-in-law. She is 62 years old. She lives with her husband Jaime, who is older than her, but is not in this photo. He is very old and very sick. Marta, my mother-in-law, is thinner than my wife Maria, and thinner than her grandson Nicholas, but just as tall as my son Nicholas. I am the skinniest of all. Now I am going to talk about John Baez. He is 29 years old. He is my wife's brother. He is the happiest in the family. She is Stephanie. She is 24 years old. She is my wife Nice. She is as thin as my mother-in-law and as cheerful as my brother-in-law. This is part of my family. I hope you like to. Thank you very much. Happy day.